Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we're taking a look at Lifecycle Management, which offers rule-based policies that you can use to transition blob data to the appropriate access tiers or to expire data at the end of data lifecycle. So what you can do here is transition blobs from cool to hot immediately when they are accessing access to optimize for performance, transition blob versions, and blob snapshots to a cooler storage tier if the objects have not been accessed or modified for a period of time to optimize for cost, delete blob versions, and blob snapshots at the end of their life cycles, define rules to be run once per day at the storage account level, apply rules to containers or a subset of blobs using prefixes or blob index tags as filters. So here's an example of adding a rule, and one few things here you might want to read here is the fact that you can apply the rules to all your or all blobs in your storage account, or limit based on a filter. You can choose the blob type or the blob subtype. And then there's the actual rules themselves. So here you can see if last modified by 1 day, then delete the blob. If last modified in 2 days, then move to cool storage. So it gives you kind of an idea of things you can do there, okay?